I told you boys, and I told you boys, don't take your brother out on your runs, getting them all torn up. You come home with nothing but trouble.
Yeah, but he asked. He wanted to go to 7-Eleven and get a big red soda, right, bro? Yeah, big red soda and a peanut patty and a pig's foot. Hey, don't mess with my Lou Reed leather look.
Look like a fool. Why don't you get a haircut? I wouldn't trust you to chase flies off a dead dog's dick.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Well, kiss my plate, Mr. Big Shot. Yeah, maybe you forgot. This chrome don't bankroll this food business. No lucky gook with a machete, no head wound. No head wound, no fancy rolling grill a go-go. Ain't no fool. Kiss it, don't forget it, kiss it, don't forget it. Kiss it, 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 kiss it.
Who can forget? What's the matter, you boy drooping around back there? Somebody bent your willy?
Cut him down. Fruit. Let's trash him. Go. Well, what the hell?
Hey, they don't have no croissants.
Hey, tough luck night. Bum round. That stock's weak-blooded if you ask me.
Okay, this is stop, wait, what?
Ah, shut up, Nubbins. Shut your hog-bag brother up. You know, there's nothing accidental about quality. I hate to say this, but that hillbilly hog you boys caught earlier is the top cut of the night.
Wait, that's mine. That's my hit, not Bubba's.
Now,
Me.
button it up.